If your LD player is not connecting to the internet, apps not loading, or the Play Store is showing no connection, don't worry. This is usually caused by network settings, firewall blocks, or emulator configuration issues. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix LD player internet connection problem step by step in 2026. First, check your main internet connection on Windows. Open a browser and make sure websites are loading normally. If your internet is down, LD player will also fail to connect. Next, restart your router and your PC. This refreshes your network connection and often fixes temporary internet issues. Now open LD player and check if airplane mode is turned off inside the emulator. If it is on, disable it and try again. If the problem continues, run LD player as administrator. This ensures the emulator has proper access to your system network. Next, check Windows Firewall or antivirus settings. Sometimes they block LD player from accessing the internet. Temporarily disable them or allow LD player through the firewall. Now reset your DNS settings. Go to your network settings in Windows and switch DNS to automatic, or use Google DNS for better stability. You should also reset network settings inside Windows if the issue persists. This can fix hidden configuration errors affecting connectivity. Next, update LD player to the latest version. Older versions may have compatibility issues with network services. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily because it may interfere with LD player's internet access. Finally, reinstall LD player if nothing works. A fresh installation often fixes broken network components inside the emulator, and that's how to fix LD player internet connection problem. In most cases, checking firewall settings, restarting the network, or updating the emulator will solve it quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.